If you have been following, my Vlogmas has been centered mainly on a budget-friendly Christmas. This is another episode, budget-friendly breakfast. This period, I believe you'll be having a lot of visitors around, friends and family staying over, and things can be quite pricey. So you want to cut back on the costs, but you don't want to cut back on the magic of the season, then stick around because this is for you. Are you like my son who doesn't like sandwiches? Are you tired of bread and egg, yam and egg sauce, cereal, or what have you? Or you just want to spice up your breakfast? Then this video is for you. Okay, let's jump right into it.
Yummy! So yummy.
Wash it down with some hot chocolate or tea bag or anything of your choice. Will you be trying this? Let me know in the comment box below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and see you on the next one.
Subscribe.